Hello everyone. Once again, welcome back to the lecture series of ICSE 9th Maths Expansions. We already completed till question number 8 from R.S. Agarwal from exercise 3B. Today we are going to start from question number 10. My name is Arpita Banerjee and you are watching Arpita classes. Let's get started. Question number 10 is, if a square plus 1 upon a square is 23, find the value of a plus 1 upon a and secondly a cube plus 1 upon a cube. So first of all, the first part, that is I have to find out a plus 1 upon a. So I will write a plus 1 upon a whole square. Let us write the formula. This is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So let me write the formula a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. This is a formula for a plus b whole square. This is my a. My b is 1 upon a. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here a and a will get cancelled. And here a square plus 1 upon a square is 23. That is given to you. So put the value 23 plus 2. So I am getting 25. So if a plus 1 upon a whole square is 25, then I will take the square root both sides. So a plus 1 upon a will be square root of 25 and square root of 25 is plus minus 5. I told you earlier that whenever you take a square root of any number, take plus and minus both, because plus 5 square is also 25 and minus 5 square is also 25. The square root of 25 should be plus and minus both, though in the book the answer might be only plus 5, but you take both the values. Okay, so we got a plus 1 upon a. Now we have to do a cube plus 1 upon a cube. So just let me rub this. You can try the sum on your own. So the second part is a cube plus 1 upon a cube. The formula for that is a plus 1 upon a whole cube minus 3a into 1 upon a whole into a plus 1 upon a. This is a formula for a cube plus b cube. Basically what is it? See, a cube plus b cube, the formula for that is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Why that is so? Because see, when I write a plus b whole cube, I write a cube plus b cube plus 3ab whole into a plus b. Now in the left hand side I have only a cube plus b cube. That means I have to just have a cube plus b cube. I have to have. Where plus 3ab into a plus b I am getting extra. So I am subtracting this part, 3ab whole into a plus b. So that this and this gets cancelled and I get a cube plus b cube. So I hope you understood. A plus b whole cube, the full formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab whole into a plus b. I am subtracting from that minus 3ab whole into a plus b so that I can just have a cube plus b cube. So we have the formula for a cube plus b cube, that is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab whole into a plus b. Okay. So now let me rub this part. I explained you the formula how it is coming. Now let us put the values. A plus 1 upon a whole cube. A plus 1 upon a we got plus 5 and minus 5. Here I am taking the plus value only. 5 cube minus, here a and a will get cancelled. 3 into a plus 1 upon a, which is again 5. So 5 cube is 125 minus 15. So the value will be 110. So a cube plus 1 upon a cube is 110. Let's proceed towards the next question. Question number 11 is a minus 1 upon a is root 5 and we have to find out the values of a plus 1 upon a and a cube plus 1 upon a cube. So let us start from here. The first thing is a minus 1 upon a is given, that is root 5. I square both the sides. After squaring both the sides I get a minus 1 upon a whole square is equal to root 5 the square. Now let us put the formula for a minus b square, and that is a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b, and that is equal to root 5 square. Root 5 square is only 5. Here a and a will get cancelled. So I am getting a square plus 1 upon a square minus 2 is equal to 5. Now in the next step I will get 2 that side. So I will get a square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 5 plus 2, that's 7. So I got the value of this. Okay. Now since I have to find out a plus 1 upon a, I will find out a plus 1 upon a whole square first. Okay. So a plus 1 upon a whole square. First let me write down the formula. That's a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. This is the formula for a plus b whole square. Now a square plus 1 upon a square is 7. So let us put the value for this. It is 7. Here a and a will get cancelled. 7 plus 2. So that is 9. So a plus 1 upon a whole square is 9. Therefore a plus 1 upon a will be square root of 9 and square root of 9 will be plus minus 3. So the first answer we got, that is a plus 1 upon a is plus minus 3. Okay. Now let us do the second part. You can try the second part on your own. Okay. So the second part is we have to find out a cube plus 1 upon a cube. So the formula for that is again the formula which I put in the last question. So we'll put it like a plus 1 upon a whole cube minus 3a into 1 upon a whole into a plus 1 upon a. A plus a cube plus b cube is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab whole into a plus b. So that is what we have written over here. So now a plus 1 upon a, I'll take the plus value, 3 whole cube minus, this will get cancelled, 3 into a plus 1 upon a is again 3. So 3 whole cube is 27 minus 9. So that is 18. So we got both the values of a plus 1 upon a and a cube plus 1 upon a cube. So now the next question is 12. Question number 12 is if a square plus 1 upon a square is 27, we need to find the values of a minus 1 upon a and a cube minus 1 upon a cube. I think so far you understood the concept. You can pause the video, you can do the sum on your own and then you can check it from here. Okay. So let us start. We have to find out a minus 1 upon a. So I'll write a minus 1 upon a the whole square and I'll write the formula for that. This is a minus b whole square. So that is a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. So here a and a will get cancelled. A square plus 1 upon a square we already have 27 minus 2. So that is 25. So a minus 1 upon a whole square is 25. Therefore a minus 1 upon a will be square root of 25, that is plus minus 5. So the first answer we got. Now a cube minus 1 upon a cube. Let us write down the formula. A cube minus 1 upon a cube would be a minus 1 upon a whole cube plus 3 into a into 1 upon a whole into a minus 1 upon a. It is just like the previous sum. If you remember, we wrote the formula for a cube plus b cube as a plus b whole cube minus 3ab whole into a plus b. This is a formula for a cube plus b cube. Similarly, a cube minus b cube would be a minus b whole cube plus 3ab whole into a minus b. So this is a formula which I have written over here. A minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. Okay, so here a and a will get cancelled. A minus 1 upon a whole cube, a minus 1 upon a, I'll take the positive value, that's 5. 5 cube plus 3 into 5. So that is 125 plus 15 and 125 plus 15 is 140. So the answer for a cube minus 1 upon a cube is 140. Okay, let us proceed towards the next question, question number 13. X square plus 1 upon 25 x square is 8 whole 3 by 5 and we have to find out the values of x plus 1 upon 5x and x cube plus 1 upon 125 x cube. So here basically we can understand that a square plus b square is given and we have to find out a plus b and a cube plus b cube. So whenever you see this kind of a sum, first you try to find out what is your a and what is your b, right? So your a is your x and b is 1 upon 5x. So the first thing that we have to find out x plus 1 upon 5x. This we have to find out, we'll take the square of it. So I am taking a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is what? A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b, right? A plus b whole square. Now this is x square and this is 1 upon 25 x square plus here x and x gets cancelled. We are getting 2 upon 5. Now see, x square plus 1 upon 25 x square is given 8 whole 3 by 5. So I am writing 8 whole 3 by 5 plus 2 upon 5. Let us convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 into 8, 40, 40 plus 3, 43 plus 2 by 5. So here I get 43 plus 2 upon 5. So that is 45 upon 5. So that is 9. So x plus 1 upon 5x whole square is 9. Therefore, taking the square root, x plus 1 upon 5x will be square root of 9. That will give us plus minus 3. So the first answer we got. Now the second answer, x cube plus 1 upon 125 x cube. I am doing it here. X cube plus 1 upon 125 x cube. So here you can say this is a cube plus b cube. Now what's the value for a cube plus b cube? It's a plus b the whole cube minus 3 into a into b whole into a plus b. Okay, I wrote this formula 2-3 times before also. A cube plus b cube is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab whole into a plus b. Now here x and x will get cancelled. X plus 1 upon 5x, we got the value plus minus 3. I'll take the positive value. Okay, so that's 3 cube minus 3 into 5 plus 1 upon 5x, again 3. So put it here 3. So this is giving me 3 cube is 27 minus 3 into 3 is 9. So the answer is 18. So now we have come to the last question of this exercise, that is question number 14. If x plus 1 upon x whole square is 3, we have to find out, we have to show that x cube plus 1 upon x cube is 0. So x plus 1 upon x whole square is 3. Therefore, we get x plus 1 upon x is equal to root 3 first of all. Okay. Now, we have to find out x cube plus 1 upon x cube. We have to show that this is equal to 0. So first I'll write down the formula. A cube plus b cube this is. So a cube plus b cube is what? A plus b whole cube minus 3a into b whole into a plus b. This is the formula. Okay. Now x plus 1 upon x whole cube is root 3 whole cube minus this will be 3 into x plus 1 upon x is again root 3. Now root 3 whole cube is root 3 into root 3 into root 3. I am writing it once for you. Root 3 into root 3 into root 3 and minus 3 root 3. Now see, root 3 into root 3 is what? 3. So here we get 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3. 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3 is 0. So proved. Okay. So here we have completed with the exercise 3B from R.S. Agarwal. In my next video, we'll start with exercise 3C from R.S. Agarwal. I think you are getting a lot of benefits from this type of videos. If you are liking the videos, please subscribe the channel and press the like button. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.